Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making some crispy Asian chicken wings. I have 14 chicken wings right here. Here I have a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Very little salt because I'm going to add some soy sauce later. Okay, so I'm just going to add this, and now I'm going to rub in all my spices just to make sure that they are all coated evenly. Okay, so you really want to make sure that everything is coated evenly. Okay, so I really moved all of these around. I really rubbed them down. I'm going to air fry my chicken wings. So mine has to preheat. I have it set at 400 degrees. And I'm going to cook these about 20 to 25 minutes. So we're waiting for it to preheat, and then we'll add our wings. Okay, it says add food, so now I'm going to spray. I'm going to spray the basket, and I'm going to add my wings. My wings are in my basket. I'm going to get this going. We're going to go 20 minutes. Now let's start on a really tasty Asian sauce for my wings. I have a saucepan. I'm going to add a quarter cup of soy sauce. And this is 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. This is 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. Half a teaspoon of ground garlic. 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And this is 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. Now I'm going to stir this up to combine all the ingredients. Let it cook for about a minute. Now right here I have a quarter cup of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay, I'm going to mix this together, and this is going to be a thickener for my sauce. Add that. And this is going to allow my sauce to get nice and thick. Now let's bring this to a boil. Okay, so now let me show you this sauce. See how nice and thick it is? This is what we're going to put on top of our wings. Oh, yummy. So here's my wings. It's been halfway, 10 minutes. So we're going another 10 minutes. You got to flip them in between. I flipped them all over. So here's my wings, 20 minutes in the air fryer. They're beautiful. Look at that. So now we're going to pour our Asian sauce on these beautiful wings. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is pour my sauce on my wings. This is a really good sauce, you guys. Really good. Now I'm just going to toss them. Toss them like that, or just toss them like this. Okay, let's plate it up, and I want to taste one. Oh. Okay, you guys. Here's one of my little chicken wings. I tasted the sauce just on the spoon, and it tasted so good that I wanted to show you. I want to taste one on camera because it just seemed like it was going to taste really good. That sauce was good by itself. This is a good. This is a really good sauce, you guys. It's really flavorful. I've made a lot of sauces, and a lot of them are good. They're always good. This one's really, really tasty. So this is an Asian sauce. Asian sauce wings cooked in an air fryer. That's what I'm going to call it. There's a lot of different sauces, and it's like, okay, crispy wings, crunchy wings in an Asian sauce, sweet and sticky. You can call it a lot. Oh my goodness. This is just really, really good wings. Okay? Yes. These are really tasty. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, press the notification bell to get all my videos. And I'll see you next time. I really recommend these.